Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Boost Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them.
Pentart One Component Crackle. What is it? Well, it's a water-based crackle medium which is used between two layers of paint. It creates fine, antique-style surface cracks. It's a single-step crackle system with no primer or second component needed. Now, when do you want to use it? Well, you want to use it when you want to create an antique or shabby chic looking distressed piece of furniture where something has several layers and layers of paint. Well, how do you use it? Well, step number one, paint your base color. This is the color that's going to show through the cracks. Let that dry completely. Then you're going to brush on your crackle medium. Just apply an even coat, don't overwork it, and let it dry fully. Once that is dry, you're going to paint your top coat. Should be a different color for contrast. Once you put that on, it will dry and the crackle in between the two paints will crack and it will form beautiful antique vintage looking cracks. Some pro tips for using the one component crackle. Always use contrasting paint colors for better crack visibility. The thicker you put the medium on, the larger the crack. The thinner you put it on, the smaller the cracks. Avoid metallic top coats or paints because they won't crack well. Don't overwork your crackle medium. Let it dry naturally. You should not use heat tools if you can avoid it. Brushing direction matters. I've noticed it only matters when you brush the paint on differently. When I did the crackle medium differently, it didn't make any difference. It was only when you brush the second coat of paint on does it matter which way the cracks will go. And to vary your thickness if you want to get a more natural look. You can add as many layers as you want. Just keep in mind, in between each paint coat, you need to put one layer of crackle. The more and more layers you add, the more true, vintage, and antique your piece will look.